Welcome to Sujatha Ma'am's classroom. To teach children, to reach children. Joy of learning.
Have you ever wondered about the environmental impact of the vibrant festivals we celebrate? Today we delve into a festival that holds a significant place in Indian culture, Ganesh Chaturthi, and how it has certain environmental implications. Ganesh Chaturthi, celebrated with great fervor in India and across the globe, marks the birth of Lord Ganesha, the deity of wisdom, prosperity, and good fortune. Traditionally, this 10-day-long festival involves the creation of Ganesha idols from plaster of Paris, their decoration with vibrant, often toxic paints, and finally, their immersion into bodies of water on the 10th day, known as Visarjan. While these customs infuse the air with excitement and religious piety, they also inadvertently contribute to environmental degradation. The non-biodegradable materials used in making the idols, along with the harmful chemicals from the paints, pollute our water bodies, harm aquatic life, and disrupt the delicate ecological balance. But imagine a Ganesh Chaturthi that not only brings joy to the devotees but also respects and preserves Mother Nature. Yes, an eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi is not just a dream, but a reality that many are embracing. Switching to eco-friendly Ganesha idols made from clay, paper mache, or other biodegradable materials is the first step. These idols, when immersed, dissolve naturally without releasing harmful chemicals. Using natural plant-based dyes for decoration can further reduce the ecological footprint of the festival. But how can we ensure this eco-friendly approach reaches the masses? Here, the role of children in schools becomes pivotal. Children, the torchbearers of our future, can play a crucial role in spreading awareness about the environmental impact of our actions. Schools, being the temples of learning, can instigate this change. By including activities centered around eco-friendly practices in their curriculum, schools can educate and encourage students to adopt these practices. Organizing workshops on making eco-friendly Ganesha idols, conducting essay competitions on the importance of sustainable celebrations, and arranging field visits to local artisans who make eco-friendly idols, schools can make learning interactive and fun. Children can take this knowledge home, influencing their families to make environmentally conscious choices. After all, change begins at home. To conclude, while celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi or any other festival, we must remember that our actions have consequences. It's about time we start celebrating responsibly, keeping in mind the well-being of our environment. By making minor changes in our traditional practices and educating our younger generation about them, we can ensure that our celebrations do not cost the earth. So, the next time you celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, remember to go green. Because a celebration that respects nature is indeed a celebration worth having.
What's your name? Name. Aisha 6th class. Aisha 4th class.
Aisha 4th class. Rema 8th class. Pallavi 5th class. Ganesh 5th class.
Very good.